It's actually a very easy flowing set. Everyone's very professional as well with their work ethics. So we're all on the same page. All the actors are on the same page.
With me kasi, medyo nag-adjust ako ng konti dito for the My Fair Lady kasi with the GMA, I'm used to doing mga drama talaga, heavy drama. So this one is more rom-com. And then yung age requirement dito sa role is like early 20s. Yung age requirement, yung character description, early 20s. So kailangan medyo mag-recall or mag-flashback ng mga pinagdaanan ng 20s. Pero in terms of character and working with them, I get the energy more from my co-actors kasi sila yung madalas kong ka-eksena and then, you know, their energy talaga sobrang taas. So, kailangan sumama.
Yeah, thank you. Pinanood ko yung original na Korean telenovela. Tapos, actually nahook ako sa kanya eh. Iisip ko, pinag-aaralan ko yung character niya kung paano ko siya i-adapt sa maging Filipino version naman. So, it's different from lahat na nagawa ko na character. This one's really loud. It's loud for me. Pero, sinasanay ko na yung sarili ko. Pinaprepare ko yung sarili ko na pagdating ko pa lang, I'm full of energy na. Sa set pa lang, start pa lang ng day, full of energy na ako. So, nakakagawa naman sa set yung for me. Yeah, thank you.
The combination. Salamat to Eddie na available ka, pinaunlakan mo dahil kailangan lahat ng programa, alam natin yan, kailangan may poste. Yun. Kasi susuportahan, siya yun eh, haligi yun eh, di ba? Sa mga programang ginagawa natin. Tapos support siya sa mga young stars natin. Lahat ng mga support cast are actors and actresses, but I can say they're all good. They have all internalized their respective characters.
I think hindi lang naman sa lalaki mahanap ang kilig eh. Nahanap yan sa...
Talaga ba?
Oo! Nahanap yan sa trabaho, sa pamilya. Siyempre kapag binibigyan ka ng puri ng supporters mo, kinikilig ka,
ano daw?
sabi daw po ni Joros sa CR din. Siyempre, pag, finally, di ba?
Ito si Joros, kung ano-ano. Iba naman yung kilig mo, no?
Yun po.
Hindi, I mean yung totoong kilig, yung romantic kilig, namimiss mo bang kiligin? Yung ikaw mismo as Jasmine.
Ha?
O may nagpapakilig na ba sa'yo bago?
Ano lang, siguro, kung ano po yung yes ka, alam mo, ano? Hindi po, kung ano man po yung alam ko about kilig, syempre, china-channel ko na lang po yan. Iniisip ko, paano kaya kung totoong si Vin yung ganon or si Luis yung nagpapakita sa akin ng affection. Syempre, kikiligin ka kasi parang, wow, okay, nakikita nila na worth to be given the effort and the time and the gifts or whatever man, pansin. Diba?
So wala bang ba?
Pa?
Mga binibigihan.
Time heals all things.
Come again? Ako rin ang nabigay. Ano yun? Time?
Time heals all things.
Na-heal na ba?
Time heals all things.
Hindi pa. Ano po? So hindi pa.
I don't know. I think I prefer not to discuss things about that anymore because I think it's quite unnecessary.
Ako po kasi, iba po kami ng career path ni Mark para sa akin. And so, kung iba yung career path namin, ibang projects po para sa akin yun. First of all, features pa lang po namin sobrang magkaiba na. And yung tampo, tagal na po, no? Sobrang tagal na po nun ngayon. I'm really, really happy. That's what's important for me. Yes. Love talaga ako ng TV fan ever since, hindi ako nawala.
Talaga ba?
Yes. Kaya ako nagtampo kasi, syempre, parang baby ako eh. Kapag mga babies nagtatampo, so ayun.
Kung maka-baby ka. Pabebe ka naman.
A girl na, hindi ko alam ba't may ganito. Yung pala nag-workshop sa bahay, is really doing hard. So para sa akin, sobrang proud talaga ako sa kanya na, ako minsan nakikisama ako sa workshop niya, tapos sinasama niya talaga ako. Para sa akin kasi, kung sino yung naandun, hilaan kami pataas, never kami maghilaan pababa. Kapit busy kami.
There's never been any reason to feel annoyed or repulsed by being compared to my older sibling, because whether you're in the same industry, whether you're in this industry, they will always compare you. Kahit di mo kapatid kahit ka-age mo lang, i-compare ka. Pinsan mo, nanay mo, tatay mo na mas nauna sa'yo sa industry, i-compare ka. So, why take it against yourself when you can actually use it for yourself to become better? Or, for me, it worked in the advantage of exposure. Nakilala agad ako ng mga tao. And there was that association, uy, kapatid ni Ann Curtis. And although there were times na parang I just want to be known as myself, I won't lie, there are times when I wish and I yearn for that. Pero at the same time, magagawa ko, kapatid ko siya, she's my family, kahit naman na hindi kami artista, pag i-introduce naman ako, kunwari, by association, you meet someone. Of course, for people to know who you are and to be interested in you, they have to know how you're associated to this other person. So for me, I used it for my advantage po. And I never felt down or brought down by being introduced as the younger sister of Anne.
Be able to say that I actually wanted to meet her.
She was very surprised as well. But what do you plan next after this?
Honestly, I hope I'm given the opportunity by her sister and her family to get to know her better. I want to know who she is. I don't want the showbiz. I want to know who she is.
Why such a bold move?
Why not? I mean, she's single now. I'm single also, and I just figured this is my only shot. It was this press con or nothing, so I just took it.